Alright, today I'm going to be teaching y'all the standard operating procedures on basically how to operate this zero-turn mower. Alright, so first thing you want to do is climb in, make sure you're sitting in, because if you're not sitting down, the mower won't be able to turn on. First thing you want to do is make sure these are all the way out, or else it won't turn on as well. And you want to have your foot on the brake. Come over here. You want to turn this to the on position. Okay, these two little lights will come on. Okay, and you want to kind of slightly turn this a little bit, and you'll see that light turn on, and that's heating the glow plugs up. You sit there for a couple seconds, because then it'll warm those up, and it's an easier start on the engine. If you don't let it do that, then it's going to be a cold start. So we'll go ahead and we'll crank it up, and you want to make sure that your throttle is all the way back down, and your blades are off. Those are both in the off position. So we'll turn it on. So it's on. Here's your throttle. Push it all the way up to make it go higher. And you never want to turn off the mower whenever this is in the full position. Here's your fuel. This is for your left gauge over here, and this is your temperature of your engine. Whenever your right gauge is going low, that's what this little light will come on over here. So yeah, that's over here where your throttle and your where you turn your blades on. You never want to turn your mower off whenever this is still on. So the on position will be up here. And so whenever you turn your mower off, you want to make sure this is back and down and turned off. And then this is all the way in the down position. I'm going to take a look at the radio. There's Rob. Everyone say hi to Rob. Hey, Rob. All right. So here's your mic. Here's your speaker. And here's where your radio is at. You want to make sure your mower is turned into the on position, or else you're not going to be able to hear anything, because the radio will be off. So anytime you're sitting in a sod area, or you're waiting, 35, winds 2907, cleared options. Or you're waiting on, you're sitting there and you're waiting on, a break, or you're waiting on a plane to leave, and you want to turn your mower off. Leave this in the on position so you can always hear the radio. So right now it's on. You can change between your frequencies up here. It'd be ground and tower. Switching this little deal right here. In order to talk, the buttons on the side are over here. And yeah, you can play around with this, and here's your volume right over here, so you turn it down and turn it up. And that's your radio. All right, guys, we actually have two different types of radios as well. This one, you want to change the frequencies on the right over here, and it will change between ground and tower. And your volume is actually going to be this little thing right here, okay? And that's basically how you operate the other kind of radio. Alrighty, and coming down over here, you got your two pedals for up and down on your deck. This is the down one. Obviously, from the down arrow, it'll push the deck down. This is the up one. It'll push the deck up, obviously, when you're done mowing. Here's your brake, okay? In order to lock it in, you want to have this little deal locked in, so like that. So now the brake is locked in. I can't go if the mower was on. So yeah, there's that. Alright guys, at the end of the day, this is where you need to park your mowers after you're done blowing off all the grass. You want to make sure and leave enough room over there so you can get in and out of the shelving area. That's going to conclude this video. In the next video, we'll show y'all the different ways that we mow the airfield.